Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 5, the farmer and the apple tree. SLOs of this lesson are: locate the varying position of adjectives in sentences. So look here, the page number 58 of your textbook. I know you are familiar with the adjectives. This is a part of speech which tells you more about the nouns. Describe you the noun more. Its color, size, opinion, origin, material, smell, everything. It can be both good and bad. So, we are going to discuss the position of adjectives in a sentence. Adjectives usually go before the nouns they modify. Modify means changes. For example, she is a nice girl. Here you can see the nice is a quality of adjective. It's telling you that girl is a nice. It's noun quality here. The girl is a noun here, and the nice is an adjective which is modifying the girl here, which is describing you the girl that she is a nice. So this is an adjective of quality here. The adjective nice modifies the noun girl and goes before it. Nice क्या है, इधर adjective है और हमेशा noun से पहले आता है. Order of adjective क्या है? In English, it is common to use more than one adjective to describe a noun. These adjectives must be used in the proper order. The table below shows the proper order in which you should put adjectives before a noun. I hope you have seen this table or order of adjectives before in your previous classes. So here we are, the adjectives of number, which we also call it the adjective of quantity, the opinion, the size, the shape, age, color, origin, material, purpose, and then after that, in the end, our noun. These all things describe the noun and comes before the noun because they modify the noun and should always come before the noun. So this is the right order. This is the proper order of adjectives in a sentence. Here we have an example. I am going to wear my tie to the wedding. Big cotton blue? No. Blue big cotton? No. So here the C is right. Why? Look at the table here. The size comes first. Big, it's a size, and then the color blue. And the material, yes, cotton. So, if you changes or modify the noun in a sentence and adding adjectives, you have to follow the proper order of adjective, which is given here for you. The number, opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, purpose, and noun. Then, in the last, there will be our noun. So, in the example above, C is the correct option because according to proper order of adjectives, according to this proper order of adjectives, shape comes first, then color, and lastly, material. Here we have a exercise of it. You have to choose the correct order of adjectives in the following sentences. So, we have 5 sentences here and 4 options for each sentence. You have to choose the right order for each sentence. So let's read the first one here. Please recycle those water bottles. 3 small plastic bottles, 3 plastic small water bottles, small plastic 3 water bottles, plastic small 3 water bottles. Which will be the right order? You can go through the order of adjective first and then do the exercise. It's very easy if you follow the order first. So here we have the right option of it. Yes, 3 is the size, 3 is the number or quantity, Small is the size and plastic is a material. So this one is the right here. The 3 small plastic water bottles. The second one, she packed the gift in a box. Green thick cardboard box, thick green cardboard box, cardboard thick green, or cardboard green thick. Which one is right here? Yes, this one is right here. Thick green cardboard. Here, the size here, thick or thin, is also be considered in size here. The green is a color and cardboard is a what? A material. So this is the right order and right option here. The third one here, they have shepherd dogs. 2 brown big German, 2 big brown German, 2 German big brown, or big brown 2 German. Which one is the right option here? Yes, if you follow the order, 2 is a quantity or number, big is a size, brown is a color and German is a origin. कौन से origin से belong करता है? कोई भी noun. तो क्या है? कौन सी नस्ल का है? Dog, German Shepherd dog. So this is the right order here. I want you to choose the correct option for these remaining sentences too. This is your homework from textbook. You have to give it a read and identify the adjectives with the right order. If you see any sentence in which we have adjectives in a row, 2 or more adjectives, you have to underline it. Just give it a proper read and you will find many. This is your homework. What you need to do, write 10 sentences about the things, the nouns in the box. These are the things or nouns. This is your box. Use 2 or more adjectives to describe each thing. Like the first one is done for you. I have got a long white dress. You see, dress is given in the box here, the thing or a noun. The long is here, the size, and the white is here, the color here. So it is written in the proper order of adjective and dress is here the noun. So you have to make sentences of each noun here and also describe them by using different adjectives of number, size, color, origin, material, whatever you want. I hope you will do your homework and enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.